Okay, so today you guys are going to learn about writing equations given 2 points. One of the important things to remember is the slope formula, so we're going to review the slope formula. So the slope formula is the slope, m, equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and remember, we're getting these x's and y's from a set of ordered pairs. Remember, each point has an x and a y value. So we're going to call the first point x1, y1, and the second point x2, y2. Okay? And we're just plugging those ordered pairs into the formula. Okay. The next thing that we're going to talk about are the steps in using 2 points to write an equation. So the first step is to find the slope given the 2 points. The next step is we're going to use one of our points an x and a y value, and the slope, to find b. Remember, b is our y-intercept. And last, we're going to use m and b to write an equation. Okay, so let's go ahead and do an example together. We're going to write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line that goes through these points. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find our value of our slope. So we're going to do y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, that's giving us -7 over -4 plus 5, which is +1. That reduces to -7. Next, we're going to pick a value of x and y. And we are going to plug in our slope we just found to help us find b. So we're going to use the format y equals mx plus b. We're going to take that m that we just found, plug it in, and pick any x and any y. I'll just use the x and y from the first point. So we're going to go ahead and plug those in. So I'm going to get our y value is 5. 5 equals, the m value is -7 times -5, which is my x value. I'm getting those x's and y's from up here. Okay, and then I'm going to write plus b. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve this. So 5 equals 35 plus b. And now I'll just go ahead and subtract from both sides to solve for b. And so I get -30 is equal to b. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done step 1, solving for m. I've done step 2, solving for b. Last thing I'm going to do is step 3, write the final equation of my line using the m that I found, which was 7, and the b, which was -30. So I'm going to go ahead and plug each of those in to the format of slope-intercept form. Y equals m x plus b. B was -30, and this is my final answer.